Edward Stevenson, TimelessWealth.net, and the following is basic technical analysis on Sarissa Resources Incorporated, traded under the symbol SRSR. Coming off of Friday's trading session, 3 if not 4 bullish events occurred, depending on how you'd like to look at it. These past few trading sessions were multiple reversal signals, that is, potential reversal signals. However, not one of them was confirmed, that is, until this trading session, Friday, November the 13th, 2009. As you can see, the price broke past several resisting levels that we'll talk about, including this downtrend channel formed by this resisting trend line and this supporting one. So likewise, you can see the price broke past the resisting trend line, and this resisting trend line now becomes support. So we'll indicate that in green and remove this one. Likewise, the price broke past the 200-day simple moving average. That's indicated by this purple line right here, and you can reference it here in the top left hand corner. So I believe stockcharts.com rounds this number off to 5 cents. It might be somewhere thereabouts, but nonetheless, closing at 6 cents per share, the price did break past this resisting level, which now becomes support. So we'll draw a horizontal line to represent that in green. The third bullish event that occurred, this little dot right here indicated in white, is parabolic SAR. Again, reference in the top left hand corner. It is now support at 4 cents per share. So we can indicate that in green as well. You can see that finally we tested the 50-day simple moving average resistance, and I'll indicate that in red. Again, reference top left hand corner. And this is this red line right here. The price didn't close above it, so I wouldn't consider this a breakout or a break above resistance, but it definitely tackled it. And at one point in time or another during Friday's trading session, the price did move above it. So there's definitely some ambition among shareholders, potential investors, and traders to appreciate this market and price. And the fourth bullish event is the volume breakout. So you can see here the volume's been pretty consistent, under maybe 3-4 million, and finally on Friday's trading session it broke past that downtrend channel we talked about, the 200-day simple moving average and parabolic SAR, which was formerly resistance, all on above average volume. So that's the key. So we're going to quickly scroll down to the technical indicators here, and this is just secondary to what we see on the price and volume. We're looking at full stochastics, which is finally coming off of a bottom. Relative strength index, you can see some of the longer term periods are still below that 70 or momentum mark. Money flow index hasn't been updated just yet. This is current with, I believe, yesterday's trading session. So once it does update, you'll see that it also came off of bottom in this oversold mark. You can see the 14-day money flow index indicator has dropped below 20 for the first time since, I believe, the price was below 2 cents. So that means we're really at potential bottom here, and we're looking to rebound. PPO ADX, one of my favorite combinations here. When they come together and separate like that, it's called the pinch, and it could potentially signal reversal. You can see here the green ADX line cross over the red one, so that's the positive over the negative one, and all it simply means is that we are in a potential uptrend or have potential to move up from this potential bottom. And likewise, Aaron painting the same picture. And one of my favorite combinations between Chaikin money flow and money flow index, you can see there's some nice accumulation going on here. Definitely bullish relative to this entire range right here. So to quickly map out going forward, we mapped out potential supporting levels at the 200-day simple moving average, 5 cents, at parabolic SAR, 4 cents. Going forward, we're looking at resistance at 6 cents. So we'll just put a thin line here because we're sitting right on resistance, indicating red. and that's the 50-day simple moving average right here. And then just above, as I've indicated in these horizontal dashed red lines, is a potential resisting zone. So what that means is this is the channel where the price spent a good amount of time, and there's quite a bit of resistance going forward between 7 cents, which is the top Bollinger Band, and 8 cents, which is the 100-day simple moving average. So those are the events that I'd look forward to following the 8-cent mark. If we get there, I will definitely provide an update going forward to see how things are looking, and so on and so forth. But the key to keep in mind is 8 cents, 7 cents resistance, 5 cents and 4 cents seem to be support, and 6 cents is the key mark that I would watch for now. Breaking above it, that would be a breakout to me if I was trading this based on a technical standpoint. Again, this was Edward Stevenson, TimelessWealth.net. I would encourage you to subscribe to my free newsletter for overlooked trading and undervalued investment opportunities. Thank you for listening.